Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and welcome to Speedcat, my channel. You will most likely see drawing and animation videos. I'm also planning on doing some analyzing videos with Marvel, Doctor Who, and the Hunger Games as my main topics. Occasionally, I will talk about some of my original characters and how I do things around here. If you are interested in anything that you just heard, you might consider subscribing. Thanks a lot, and see you soon, I hope. I'm planning on doing some analyzing videos with the upcoming topics. If you're interested in anything in, Doctor Who and the Hunger Games being the main